Hello everybody, Troy here from Troy's Hobbies. It's been a while, been on a little mini vacation. Anyways, UPS just showed up, and so I ordered some extra battery and a battery charger for my Yi action cam. I guess this fits most of the Yi action cameras. This is an off-brand, but I ordered it took because it has to be ground shipping because of this. And so I just arrived today, even though we were gone for 7-8 days. I hope I pronounced this correctly. Newmowa, N-E-W-M-O-W-A. And this fits the Yi 4K action camera, and I guess all of them. I guess, I'm not sure. Double check the description. But really quick here, let's see what's inside the box. So, it comes with instructions. This is basically 3 batteries and a charger. So we'll see. So let's see here. This is just the USB cord. Yep, that's all that is. This is the charging station. See, 3 Newmowa. So you can see there. Get it a little closer. There you go. Get the information. Let's go ahead and back off here. So it has a 3-port charging station, USB, and of course this is the 3 batteries. I'm not going to open them all for you. They're all going to be the same. Throw all that stuff away before it all flies away, but that's what it looks like. You can read it there. I'll hold it for you. Looks similar. Let me go ahead and get the actual factory battery really quick. So here's the factory. I have 2 Yi 4Ks. This is with the factory here. So let's go ahead and put them side by side. Right off the bat, there is some differences. Okay, so the Newmowa is 3.85 volts, 1400 mAh. 5.39, and then the factory one, let me see, 3.8, 12, that's down below here, 1200 mAh at 4.56. I'm not 100% sure what WH is. If you know what WH is, please let me know down below. Educate me, please. But I just wanted to share with you. So first thing I'm going to do is, of course, set it all up and charge it. This is not a review, just a quick unboxing. I'll let you guys, I usually, after about a month, I'll do an product update. See if it goes bad or if it all is well. Real quick, show you what the entire setup looks like. Got 2 of the batteries already installed. Here's the 3rd one. You can see the little indentation there. Snaps in place. That's what it looks like. And the port is right there. Let's grab that business end here. Insert that in there. And that's what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. Real quick, here's what it looks like when it's charging. You got 3 red lights. And I just got it plugged into the USB port to my socket there, that's all. But that's what it looks like. I usually wait about a month and I'll do an update. Let you guys know how it's working, or if it's not working. I usually update the title or something, or give a link to another video showing what happened if it went bad. But like I said, this is the original. So this is the 1200 mAh. See there? See if it 1200 mAh, and these are, I believe, what we talked about, 1400 mAh. These are 1400 mAh. So I'll give it some time before I do a actual product review. Well, that's it, folks. If you guys like this video, please give it a like. If you like my channel, check out the rest of my channel. It's just not about gadgets. It's basically a bunch of my hobbies all put in one channel. You don't have to like it all, but I appreciate a sub. You guys have a good day. Bye-bye.